Did you enjoy your birds lessons and your kitchen cleaning day lesson? Now it's time for big bluebird coloring. And this is a bird. B for bird. B makes the B sound. And this is a bird. We will color it blue. You can get a crayon from our basic supply kit. I have my blue crayon. Do you have your blue crayon? You can pause the video while you get it. It's okay. And then I will hold the paper with one hand and then start to color. I'm coloring the bluebird with a blue crayon. And try to stay between the lines the best way you can. Color all of those feathers the color blue. Blue. Blue has a nice B sound. Blue. Blue. Blue on our bird. Blue. B. The letter B. The color blue starts with the letter B. And color our bird blue. Very pretty bird blue. You can go around in circles. Go up and down. Oops, I got outside the lines. But that's okay. Go up and down and all around. And color the legs blue. Blue. And our blue bird with blue wings with the blue crayon is sitting on a branch that we can also color blue. Or, if we want to, we could color the branch brown. Brown. Brown also has the B letter. B. B for blue and B for brown. And this is brown. And we colored a blue branch blue, but we're also going to color our blue branch brown. You can leave yours blue if you want. I'm going to add some brown to my blue branch. B. B for blue. B for bird. B for branch. Can you say it with me? B for bird. B for blue. And B for branch. And you can pause the video while you catch up and finish. Once you're done coloring, you can go to your lesson page and give yourself another nice big check for big bluebird coloring. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 checks. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job.